one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. Da-da-da-da-da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers.
All over, all over, all over, all over. I was my Matilda, all over.
Oh, yeah.
I was. I was. A young man, I carried me back, and I lived a free life of a rover. From the Murray's green basin to the dusty outback, I waltzed my Matilda all over. And in 1915, my country said, son, it's time to stop rambling, there's work to be done. So they gave me a tin hat, and they gave me
Hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. Used to say no promises, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps to say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I've paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find.